Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ShareX screenshot not working on ShareX in 2026. So if your screenshots are not capturing, hotkeys are not responding, or nothing happens when you press capture, yeah, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, open ShareX and check if it is running properly in the system tray. Sometimes the app is open, but not active in the background. Next, go to Hotkey settings and make sure your screenshot shortcuts are correctly assigned. If they are missing or changed, reset them to default. Now check if another application is using the same hotkeys. Conflicting shortcuts can stop ShareX from capturing screenshots. Next, run ShareX as administrator. Without admin permission, screen capture may not work on some Windows screens. Now check capture settings and make sure the correct capture method is selected, like full screen, region, or window capture. Next, disable conflicting overlays like Discord overlay, Xbox Game Bar, or other screen recording tools that may block capture. Now check your save folder location. If the folder path is invalid or full, screenshots may fail to save. Next, update ShareX to the latest version because older builds can break after Windows updates. Now try restarting ShareX or your PC to reset background processes. Finally, test screenshot capture again using a simple region capture to confirm it is working, and that's it. You've successfully fixed ShareX screenshot not working issue. Now your screenshots should capture and save properly again. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.